it's your girl Krissym and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, so for today's video today, you guys, first and foremost, today is Vlogmas Day. Let me look at the calendar. Vlogmas Day 14. You guys, seriously, it's been a struggle to keep up with these videos every single day. My life is busy, it's very hectic. I feel like I have so much to do. I am overly exhausted at this point, but here I am again, giving you guys another video. Okay, so today, you guys, we wanted to do a building a gingerbread house contest, but I think that these gingerbread houses are already pre-made. So what we're gonna make this into is coronavirus. We're gonna make this into pretty much who decorates the gingerbread house the best. So she's already over here cheating, looking off of different pictures off of the internet. So I'm probably gonna do the same thing too, just a little bit, you kind of get a little bit of ideas. But before we get into the video, you guys, if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Krissym. If you make it to the end of the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos, and let's go ahead and hop into it, y'all. Alright, you guys, so first we need to open it up to see exactly what's in here because I have not a clue at all whatsoever. This is my first time doing a gingerbread house. Is it your first time doing a gingerbread house? Okay, so I've never done one before, you guys, so I was super excited. I'm like, we're in the Christmas spirit. Like, we want to do a gingerbread house. Oh my gosh. Okay, so show them Kaylee what's all in here once you get everything out. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cool. It's so much stuff in here.
There's candy.
They didn't give a lot of candy like I thought they would. I thought it would be more candy, but there's not. And this is the icing. Yeah, this is the icing to decorate it. These are like little gumdrops here, you guys. You can see that, gumdrops. They give the candy in the pack. And like, there's like a little piping bag and a little piping like needle tool there. And on the inside, you guys, is the grand finale. Okay, so you have to pull it up like this. Oh, you already did it. Okay. You're way ahead of the game, Kaylee. Okay, this is what the house looks like, you guys. So it is pre-made already. I mean, I guess that's cool because that way we don't have to, you know, really sit and just try to make it stick together. It's already stuck together. So, and we also picked up some Hershey Kisses, you guys. These are the sugar cookie ones. I can't have any tonight because my stomach has been on 10 right now tonight, and I've been a little bit sick, so I'm not gonna eat any, but I am gonna use it to decorate the actual house. So whenever you're ready, Kaylee.
I don't know what I'm about to do.
So first we gotta get the piping. We gotta get the icing in there. So yeah, you can cut it open. And then we're gonna put the icing in the little bag, in its little bag and everything. You guys, this is so exciting. If you have children at home, this is what y'all should be doing. Y'all should be doing Christmas stuff like this, fun activities, you know, as well as maybe baking cookies, decorating cookies and stuff like that. Keeping them occupied, especially on the weekends. That smells just like gingerbread. I don't think I would eat this because I don't know what this is right here. I don't think I would ever eat it.
Probably just icing.
Yeah. Alright, put your trash in your box, Kaylee. So you're not just leaving a whole mess. So then, you guys, we're going to cut open the bag so we can get the actual bag out and the tip so that we can put the icing on the inside of the bag. So this is what the bag looks like, you guys. So pretty much if you were decorating cupcakes or a cake, you would use this piping bag and you would use the actual tip to put here to be able to pipe, you know, the design you want to make on your actual cupcakes or your cake. So that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna take all my candy out, y'all, because it ain't much. So then they have the instructions too on how to use the piping bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, this can be so messy. Especially with me. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to get as closest to the tip as possible and just leave it in there.
No.
Oh my gosh. The gingerbread thing smells so good. And then Kaylee, what you can do is once you get in, you can just push it towards the end. It's icing. I keep thinking that it's marshmallow. It's not marshmallow, it's icing. I'm like, it was about to be messy. So we finally got everything assembled. We actually messed up on the pipe part. We're supposed to put this white tip on the inside of the bag, but that's okay. We made it work, we made it work. I've also found some green icing that I had from last year, you guys. It's not old. Okay. You just rude here. Baby Cairo, as usual, he has put his 2 cents in. So yeah, we're gonna probably mix a little bit of the green as well into our little houses here and decorate it really, really nicely. So, are you ready, Kaylee? Are you prepping yourself, huh? I might as well open up everything too, guys. Just kind of get it going. What is it, Sting? Okay, guys. Mark, get set, go. Oh, don't do it. Alright, you guys, so we got something going on here. Oh no, I got a mess going on with this. This is mine, you guys. This is what mine's is looking like. And we got a mess, you guys, so don't worry, we're gonna clean it up afterward. So that's what mine's is looking like, you guys. I'm about to fix this up. I don't know what I should do. I should just kept it like this or do it like this, but I'm gonna switch it. But in my back of my house, you guys, is green. I found this green icing in the closet, and this is my daughter. She's trying to outdo me, y'all, because mine's like a hot mess. Mine's like a mess. But all right, y'all, just checking in. Wanted to show you what we was doing. We almost done, legitimately. I'm over here like the biggest mess of my life. Alright, you guys, we finally got somewhere with these gingerbread houses and we're pretty much done. We're summing it all up. I think she's finishing up her side though, you guys. I'm not about to do my side. I don't want to do my side. I feel like I like it the way it is. It's like a modern day house, modern day gingerbread house. Little less is more. That's my back, y'all, so don't be talking, don't be talking. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep mine like it is. You guys, this is like so much fun. I wonder if they have like other like little projects and like other little kits that you can do that's not like gingerbread house, but like other things. I'm actually gonna look in a Target or whatnot. But you guys, these came from Walmart if you just happen wanted to know, and they were like $8, maybe 99 cents, like $9 for both of them a piece. So it's such a good deal. And if you wanted to buy like separate candies and use, you know, M&Ms or, you know, other gumdrops or Swedish fish or whatever you wanted to use, you can buy your own separate candies and do that. Now it does come with these little candies that we showed you guys in the beginning, but if you wanted to just get your own to make yours so special, you can do that. I did see also at Target, you guys, where they have like a Hershey's chocolate one. Target had like a bigger variety than Walmart, so I may check at Target tomorrow and see what they got as far as decorating stuff, because they had like a whole bunch of good stuff. But we were at Walmart, so I was like, okay, let's just go ahead and grab these. I don't want to go back and forth. You know, I'm at Target every single day, so definitely this is a fun project for the weekends, you and your kids, or you and your husband, boyfriend, sisters, cousins, brothers, whatever. You guys want to have a contest who can decorate the fastest and who can decorate their house the best, you know, contest, do it. Like, why not? It's like a fun thing to do. You guys, so we are done. She's done. She decked her house all out, y'all. So there's mine.
My hands are messy.
You can just put it up there real quick. It's cool. There's mine, you guys. And then Kaylee, show them yours. Put yours up. She decked her house out. You gotta put it up a little bit more. My battery's about to die. My battery's about to die, y'all. About to die. We're gonna have to get the thumbnail after.
I'm just about to.
Just go right here, cause you got a mess, girl. And that's hers, you guys. That's her house. Okay. And this one's mine. So I want to get a close up so that way you guys can actually see. You guys leave down in the comments. Do you like our houses? Like our gingerbread houses? Who did the best? Me? This is Kristen. This is Chrissy M. That's Kaylee. Or her. Leave it, drop it down in my comments. All right, you guys? All right, you guys. So that's going to conclude today's video. Like I said, you guys, this is super much. Like I said, you guys, this is so much fun. I really enjoy doing this. It's like a fun activity you can do on any weekend night when you're not doing anything. You know, find different activities to do. But also leave a comment down below on which one you like, or if you like both. Hey, you like both. But hey, it was a contest, so if you made it to the end of the video, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.